It has been in the news lately that at public USB chargers they can steal your data from your phone if you connect it there. But there's an easy solution for that. As you can see, these USB 2.0 devices use 4 wires for connection. This is negative 5 volts, 2 signal wires, and 1 positive 5 volts. So what you have to do is just cut the communication. That's as simple as it gets. So you can just cut a USB cable and don't connect or cut the 2 communication wires and connect only the positive and negative. And then you're done. Nobody can steal your data that way. What you may lose then is the quick charging ability, because I think the data lines are used for that, to request higher voltage from the charger. But in case of emergency, when you're at a public charger, then you probably don't need really high speed, just enough energy to charge up, to call someone or send a message or whatever. So yeah, all you need to do is remove these 2 wires, white and green, and connect. Oh, this ground we don't need also, it can be removed. So you only connect the red. Come on, why is everything sliding around like that on this table? So all you have is the red and the black. Like that. Come on. Red, black. Yeah, it's not perfect, but for these purposes it's okay. So this cable is connected to my computer. I plug in this one, this end, and get a USB cable. Where did I put a USB cable? Oh boy, I don't have a USB cable ready. Come on, which one are you? This is a standard charging cable. It has all the 4 wires, but when I plug it in, it should just charge the phone, don't do anything else. So yeah, I plug it in and it charges, and the computer doesn't make any sound because the data connection wasn't made. So that's as simple as it gets. You have to cut the white and green wires, only leave the red and black. With USB Type-C, you may want to cut, I mean, you have more wires in USB Type-C usually. So there you may have to cut all the other colors, leave only the red and the black. So yeah, that's how you solve a security issue that is quite serious and easy to install these sniffing devices. So this is a good countermeasure, very easy and effective, because it physically disconnects you from the data that the port may have. And yeah, this is, I'd say, 100% secure.